already we completed the portions, so we are doing the sample paper. We know that 4 sections will be there. Section A carries 1 mark. The first is section A. Which of the following English alphabet has reflectional symmetry about the vertical mirror? So when you are using the vertical mirror, we are getting the same line, that is a B and D, V and E. You know that when we are using that the reflectional symmetry is the same, so our answer is B only. Second question. The ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter is 1 is to 10, 10 is to 1, 3 is to 100, 100 is to 3. So when we are having this ratio 3 kilometer by 300 meter only, so when you are doing the ratio, it must be in the same unit. So 300 kilometer should be written as 3000 meter, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and divided by 300 meter. Now the units are same, then only we can do the ratio. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, and 3 here, 10 only. 3 will be cancelled by, in 30 3 goes 10 times, so 10 by 1, therefore the ratio is 10 is to 1. So which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. The product of a rational number with its reciprocal is always dash. What is the answer? The product of a rational number, any rational number, it can be positive or negative also. So 1 by 2 we are taking. What is the reciprocal? It is 2 by 1. Then the product, it is equal to 1 only. When we are having this one, the product of rational number with its reciprocal is always equal to 1 only. So our answer is 1. If it is a negative number also, so when we are taking 3 by 7 with a negative sign, then the reciprocal will be 7 by minus 3. When it is will cancel, your answer is equal to 1 only. Which of the following is a binomial? 3x square y, 24x, 5x plus 2 plus x, it is 2 plus x only, 5x plus 6y minus 3, and 7m. See, 4 options are given. The question is asked for binomial. What is the meaning of a binomial? When the polynomial consists of 2 terms. So 3x square y, nothing is added, it is a single term only. That's so it is an example for monomial. But 2 plus x, we know that the first term is 2 and the second term is x, so 2 terms are there, so this is a binomial. Now what about this one? 5x plus 6y minus 3. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So it's a trinomial, so it's not an example. Next, 7m, again monomial only. So which is the correct answer? 2 plus x is the correct answer. Fifth question. If triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN, then RT equal to dash and angle A equal to dash. See, sidewise RT is asked and angle A is also asked. Corresponding side and corresponding angle we have to find out. Once the congruency is proved, then very easy to find the corresponding sides and also corresponding angle. So angle is very easy. First we will go for angle only. So in place of A, which is the letter here for the second triangle P, so angle A is equal to angle P only. So the answer is angle P, right? Next, what is the one more we have to find out? The side. RT is the side it is given. So in place of RT, what is the letters here used? E and N. So EN and angle P. So RT equal to EN. But when and angle A equal to angle P. When last time when the paper congruency was asked, side it is asked, that most of the students it is written one letter only. When we are talking about a side, it is a line segment only, so 2 letters required. So when for RT, what is the letter we used here? EN. So the corresponding side which is equal to RT is EN, and angle A is given, so correspondingly which letter for that one? It is P. So which is the correct answer? EN and angle P. So the first A is the correct answer only. See, second question, answer is given as angle P and EN, but the first filling the blanks is for side, so don't write this one, this is not correct. Similarly, it is given PE and angle T, PN and angle N, that is definitely it is wrong only. So there may be confusion regarding A and B, but according to the order, the first side is written, then the second angle. So here the correct option is A only. Question number 6. Find x if 4 by 9 equal to x by 27. So when it is given by 4 by 9 equal to x by 27, it is a cross multiplication only. Very well you know that. So 9 into x equal to 4 into 27. So x equal to 4 into 27 by 9. So we can cancel 9 and 27, these 3. So 4 3s are 12. So which is the correct option? C is the correct option. Question number 7. What is the value of 3 into x square minus 4x when x equal to 5? The question is asked for 3 into x square minus 4x. So we have to put the value for x equal to 5. So 3 into 5 square minus 4 into 5. So it is equal to 3 bracket 25 minus 20. That means 3 bracket 5. 25 minus 20 is 5 only. 3 5s are 15. So our answer is B only. What is the value of 3 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 0 plus 19 raised to 0 is? That is any real number raised to the power 0 that is equal to 1 only by the exponents rule. So 3 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 0 plus 19 raised to 0 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. The option is 3 only. That is C. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into odd number of times repeated, then what is the value? When minus 1 is repeated odd number of the time, the value is minus 1 only. Just to see the example, minus 1 is repeated 3 times. So minus 1 minus 3 times. So minus into minus plus, again minus, it is minus only. The answer is minus 1. Again, so minus 1 is repeated 5 times. Next odd number, again minus into minus 1 plus only, minus 1 into minus 1 plus only. So plus 1 into plus 1 plus again, but again you are getting one more minus, so the answer is minus 1. So minus 1 is if it is a product and repeated odd number of times, the answer is minus 1 only. Now question number 10. When a ball is cut horizontally, then its cross section is a dash. When ball is cut means we will get a example for ball, means it's an example for sphere. When we cut horizontally, so when we are having a sphere, we can, it is a 3 dimension only, we will get cut like this only. So when we are getting the area, the cross section means we will get a circle there. See, horizontally we are doing the cut, so this is the shape here we are getting. What is the shape of here, please? Base, that is a circle. So that is why when a ball is cut horizontally, its cross section is a circle. When we are making the small parts of that one, we will get a circle only. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, then the hypotenuse is. So roughly we can draw the diagram. Triangle ABC, one angle is 90 degree only. Let us mark this angle is B only. So ABC. So the side opposite to the hypotenuse. So sorry, so side opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So which is the answer? AC is that one. So what is the definition of the hypotenuse? The side opposite to 90 degree. That means AC, which is the longest side in any right triangle. The hypotenuse is the longest side in any right angle triangle only. So angle B equal to 90 degree means the other two letters only will come as a hypotenuse. So the answer is AC only. Next question. There are 2 red and 3 blue balls in a bag. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into the bag. What is the probability of getting a red ball? So what is the option we are having? 2 red and 3 blue only. So red is the question is asked. So how many are favoring to that one? 2 are only favoring. So out of how many balls? Out of 5 balls. So 2 divided by 5 only. So the probability will be 2 divided by 5. So what is the formula? Favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. So favorable is 2 and out of this 5, so the probability will be 2 by 5. Now the next question. The angle is included between the side D and EF of triangle DF. So roughly we will draw a triangle DF. So which are the side it is told DE and as well as EF. So which is the angle is coming included here? Angle E. So the answer is angle E only. Next question, median of 11, 10, 12, 4, 9, 18 and 6 is. Median means directly we cannot write. What we should do? We should write in the ascending order. So which is the least value? 4. After that is 6. So this is over and 6 also over. The next is 9 will come. So 9 I'll write. Then next number is 10, 11, 12, 18. So 4, 6, 9. So how many you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers are there. So just check that 7 also be listed or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many numbers are there? 7 is caught. 7 is an odd number. So median equal to 7 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. That means 4th observation. Now which is the 4th observations? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 is the value. So the answer is 10. Right? The first step that we will use to separate the variables and the constants in the linear equation 2x plus 3 equal to 7 is. What is the first step it is asked? So here two way you can write the answer. Actually 2x plus 3 equal to 7 means we should remove this 3, not the constant, not the variable. The number associated with the variable will go last step only. So the first step means we should subtract 3 from both the sides. Right, this is the first step. So 3 will get cancelled. So this side 4 only. So 2x equal to 4. Next step only we are going with the variable. So other than variable, what is there? That should be eliminated. That is the first step. So you can use the word that either 3 should be transposed to RHS. That is also correct only, or otherwise subtract 3 from both the sides. So 2 answers correct only. So subtract 3 from both the sides. Since the question is asked clearly for first step, or what you can write, because already you learned the step and all, so we should write that transpose 3 to RHS. Transpose means changing the left side to right side. So when we are changing to plus 3 to right side, what will happen to the sign? Plus 3 will become minus 3. So that is why transposing 3 to RHS you can write, or subtract 3 from both the side. Both the answers are correct. Next question, the given figure, the measurement of angle A is dash. So when in the given figure 130 is the exterior angle, so exterior angle property we can use that 130 equal to 50 plus angle A. So here exterior angle I'll write. Next, what is angle A? 50 we can bring to this side. So 130 minus 50, that is equal to 80 degree. So 80 degree is the value of angle A. Or else what we can find out here, it is a linear pair. So if it is 130, then this angle will be 50 only by linear pair property. Now angle sum property also we can use. 50 plus 50, 100. So the remaining angle is 80 only. So the value of A equal to 80 degree. So this method is easy. So you can use any method. Here the value will be 80 only. The multiplicative inverse of 2 integer 2 by 3 is, that means 2 integer 2 by 3 means what is the value? 8 by 3. So just a reciprocal of this. What is the meaning of the multiplicative inverse? It is reciprocal. So the answer is 3 by 8. The difference between the measure of a straight angle and a right angle. What is the value of a straight angle? 180 degree, and a right angle 90 degree. So the difference is equal to 180 minus 90. It is equal to 90 degree. The complement of an angle 45 degree. What is the complement? Means sum of the two angles equal to 90 degree. So one angle is 45 means other angle is 45 degree only. A dash is a fraction that represents part of a whole. That means proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction that represents part of the whole. That means example 2 by 3. That means the numerator is less than the denominator. 5 by 7. Next 9 by 11. Always numerator is less than the denominator in the case of a proper fraction. Thus we completed section A. 20 1-mark questions will be there. Multiple choice can be asked. Fill in the blanks can be asked. Matching can be asked. True or false also can be asked in this part. So with this today's video I am winding up. Thank you.